How's it going, everyone? I have this Jeep Cherokee and it has really bad water spots, and if you're like me, I don't know what it is, but I started getting a lot of ads for this Sud Factory water spot remover, and you know, on the ads the guy just takes his hand and kind of wipes it on the glass a little bit and it seems to come off. And you know, if that's the case, then this stuff is really good. And I have some stuff that'll take it off, but it's paste and you have to use a buffer to get it off, and it's kind of a pain. So I'm going to show you, you know, we're both going to do this together. I hope you can see that on the camera, but it's pretty bad. But like literally a guy just took his finger and wiped it on there and then wiped it off with a rag. So I'm going to try the same thing, because you know, a lot of times I don't believe stuff I see online, but you know, with the camera angle I don't see how you really would have done anything tricky. But let's see. Looks like it has a little bit of grit of some kind in it, and he kind of wiped it both ways, so I'll do the same. It feels like it's actually doing something. Either the grit's dissipating or it's actually cleaning. So let's see. So I'll just take like a regular microfiber and wipe it off. Wow. I can't believe it. It is gone. It is definitely gone. I mean, it's none of that's there. There's still a little bit down here at the very bottom where I didn't get, but yeah, I mean, it works. And it's just not, it's not like making a sheen or anything and just covering it. I mean, it's literally gone. Wow, it really does work. Let's try the back, because my back glass is even worse. Yeah, I bought this used, and I guess the guy who had it must have parked under a water sprinkler or something, because it has really bad water spots. I hope you can see that. Yeah, this tinted glass with water, it's just, they get bad quick. So yeah, let me do that again. Can't believe this actually works, because other stuff I have just makes such a mess buffing it. Yeah, whatever this has in it, it feels like it has some kind of minor grit, but nothing to scratch the glass with. I'm pleasantly surprised, because most of the stuff I see online, you know, kind of expected not to work, but this seems to be doing what they say. Alright, let's wipe that off. Wow, yeah, I mean, it definitely works. I hope the angle I'm getting at you can tell, but it's still here and around there, but anywhere I rubbed is gone for sure. Well, anyway, thanks for checking it out. So yeah, I'm back. I don't know, I hope you can tell what it looked like before versus now, because it definitely took off all of the water spots. And full disclosure, I kind of got lazy and I used my buffer and with a real soft pad and put some on, and at first it wasn't working. It seemed like it needed more friction or something, so I actually just put more paste on, and then it really knocked it out of the park. But yeah, I mean, if you're even thinking about this stuff and you have water spots, don't hesitate. It actually does work. So thanks for watching.